Hello, Arnel here. So again, Freecodecamp, decimal to binary converter, step 10. Nasa step 10 na tayo mga kaibigan. So, sabi in an earlier project you learned about truthy and falsy values, which are values that evaluate to true or false. Truthy and falsy. In JavaScript, some common falsy values you'll see are null and undefined. That's falsy values. The number 0 and empty strings. So, falsy values pala tong empty string na ito. Rather than check if a value is equal to a falsy value, you can use the logical not operator to check if the value itself is falsy. For example, alright, num0 num equals 0, console.log is true, no. Alright, update the condition in your if statement to use the logical not operator. Check if number input value is falsy. Alright, so nalagyan lang natin ng not operator. Alright, check natin. Good. Not operator. Alright, decimal to binary converter step 11. Dito na tayo. So, because the input type number element allows special characters like dot, plus, and e, users can input floats like 2.2, equations like e 2, e plus 3, or even just e, which you don't want to allow. A good way to check and normalize numbers in JavaScript is to use the built-in parseInt function. Which converts strings into an integer or a whole number. So, itong parseInt function na to ay kaya niyang i-convert ang string sa whole number. Pero number lang. Takes at least one argument. A string to be converted into an integer and returns either an integer or none, which stands not a number. So pwede po siyang lagyan ng inputan ng string, pero ang i-result niya is none. ParseInt. So itong example, parseInt. Pag in-inputan mo siya ng 2.2, may butal na 2. So i-round off niya lang na 2. So 2e plus 3, i-round off niya lang din ng 2. Yung e, which is string, is not a number, none. So add a logical OR operator after the first condition in your if statement, then pass the value of number input into the parseInt function as the second condition. of your if statement. Pass the value of number input into the parse int. So, or muna tayo. Or operator. Ito. Then, pass the value parse int function. So, itong number input ipapasok natin sa parse int na yan as a second condition. So, ito na kasi yung second condition niya. So, check natin. Mali. You should add, ang sabi dito, you should add the logical or operator after the first condition in your if statement. Then pass the value of number input into the parse int function. Parse int. Number input. Nandito naman Or number input so kulang pala ito that value kasi yung variable lang pala yung ginamit natin. Okay, so check, looks good. Okay, submit and go to the next challenge.